Hi friends, I'd like to invite you to this challenge. So this is called a 6x6 paper pad and stamp challenge. So the object of the challenge is to be able to make your embellishments using only these items. You can use your dies, your punches, except you cannot use stickers, you cannot use ephemera, but you can use your stamps to make your own ephemera. I hope you can join me. It's going to be so much fun doing it together. And let me know down below in the comment section if you want to join. I'm going to be releasing my video soon, and I hope that this challenge encourages you to use your scrap stash. It doesn't have to match. The paper and the stamp doesn't have to match. You can choose any stamp and any paper, as long as the object is making your own ephemera and stickers using your stamps. So I hope you can join me, friends. Let me know down below if you want to join. Again, this is called the 6x6 pad and stamp challenge. So I hope you can join me. I'm gonna put a hashtag right here so you can we can search it together. It's hashtag 6x6 and stamp challenge. Thank you guys. Bye.